Hey guys, it's Tanner and welcome back to another video. It's nighttime. I'm at my grandma's. Come on. Come on. Ugh. Hello? Hi. Hi. Where could she be? Ah, there she is. It is very dark out. So I don't know what to do. It's nighttime, very nighttime. I can barely see anything. No. Where's... There you are. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, Grandma. Hey. Nothing. No, where are you? What are you doing with my coat? What are you doing with my coat? What are you doing with my coat? Here. Oh, jeez.
Go outside, baby. Huh? Don't go outside. Don't go outside. Okay, come on. Look out.
Yep. Oh, that's where the light switch is.
The light switch right here, too.
Oh, jeez, I am so blind.
Light right there.
Yeah, I'm blind.
Okay.
This is Clay. Clay. Clay.
Just a minute. We're gonna get bundled up.
Where are you taking them? Where are you taking them? Oh. I know where you're taking them.
Really? Like you handled this crime? Yes, I completely handled this crime. Yeah, I guess.
Gotcha.
Okay. Fine, I'll go. Captain Man. This is my wife Nancy. Oh, hi. Ouch.
Looks like a shadow. That's my shadow, but...
It's freezing in here.
Yeah? Look, your parents' plan.
Yeah.
Oh, this is perfect for cold yoga.
Oh.
So, where are the girls?
The girls?
Yeah.
I'm really bored. I'm just watching Nickelodeon. I'm at my grandma's house while my dad's at work.
I tried.
Hey, but I'm getting my hair dyed Saturday. So I believe today's Thursday, so yeah.
Hi. Weird. Weirder. And sister of weirder. I'm not a sister.
She's my cousin.
Get it right. I'll show you what's right.
That's me when I'm jealous. Like, Hi, me. Hi, me. I really don't know. I'm just recording a video because I haven't done it in about 4 days, so yeah, I'm trying to catch up because I've had things to do and Yeah. Well, I'm just walking around my grandma's house. Hi. 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 Oh, jeez. Oh, look at this dog. Come on. So this video is just about my grandma's. That's not my grandma's dog, but she's helping. She's taking care of my Aunt Jen's dog. That's Aunt Jen's dog. It's way lighter in here.
Don't freak out now. With the only way the Hunter family can crack the case is to do it together. We found our first clue. No matter what stands in their way.
I can use a little help.
You okay? Be a part of the adventure from the very beginning. In the brand new series Hunter Street. Next on Nick.
Well, okay then. Gotta follow you. I gotta follow you. I gotta follow you.
What are you trying to do? Take a picture of him?
No, I'm
Oh.
recording.
Oh, okay. Well, I can hold him still if you want.
It's okay. It's okay. He sees you.
You're bed, aren't you, buddy? Past
Up.
bedtime,
Ah!
isn't it?
What are you doing?
Past your bedtime, isn't it? Whoops.
Ah! Stop trying to chew this on me. Here, go. Fetch. Fetch.
What you got?
He got a puppy. Get here. Go fetch.
What you got? You a good boy, huh?
Yeah, he's been a good boy.
About your health.
Ah, jeez. What are you doing? Go. Get it.
What you doing, huh?
He's being a pup. He's being a good old pup. Until he starts squeaking in my face. He's too hyper to go to bed.
Huh?
He's too hyper to go to bed.
Well,
No. And you came back with a new toy, didn't ya? Came back with a new toy. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that could happen. I'm not even doing anything. He's I'm just hanging it. I'm just hanging it. Oh, give it.
don't pull him off the ground.
Yet it's not until we look back that we understand that at those very moments we were standing on the edge of tennis history.
I'm just sliding him again. Oh God! Oh, I hope I got that on video.
not looking like she was 100% healthy, but this time
Yeah. Yeah. Whew. Come on, bring it back. There we go. Good talk. Okay, I definitely got that. Here we go. Are you a kangaroo? He kind of looks like a kangaroo. If you look at him right. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why don't you get it? Why don't you get it, you lazy bum?
That was close though. A little too close for
Oh God. No more. No more. Ah, go get it.
But it's going to come down to who's going to serve better, who's going to get 3 points. To dictate from that first serve.
Oh, that squeaks too. That squeaks too. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh God, what are you doing?
I think the attitude of this young lady, Miss Nina, has really improved her game. In serving. She already stole 3 points off that serve.
Go ahead.
There's another one.
Oh God. Here. Ah.
Second serve and last serve. Nice job. Two over the set. Might be some way. Gathers
I'm pulling him to the couch. Ow. He bit me.
Well, you grabbed too close.
Yeah, I did. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Go. I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. And what are you doing? Okay, so.
slap that thing out of your hand. I'd like to see you try something. Okay, that really hurt my hand.
Well, I don't know, I'm really bored with, oh, there he is. Of course he does. Well, see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Maybe. Bye.